let me take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone who is here on this wonderful day to share this wonderful opportunity. So before I talk about the opportunity, let me just open my screen sharing. So lifetime opportunity to be healthy as well as wealthy. See, we are all used to jobs, many of us, correct? See, we all believe in one thing, that we start our work at the age of 20 and work until we are 60 and after that retire. And today, what I'm going to share with you an opportunity is an opportunity that you can start any time of your lifetime, irrespective of your age, irrespective, minimum 18 years, irrespective of your age, your education, your qualification, whatever it is. And you work for 5 years, and what you achieve in 60 years, here's an opportunity that you can achieve that same financial level within 5 years. So when I say within 5 years achieving what people do in 60 years, it sounds so impossible, but yes, today there are hundreds and thousands of people all over the world. See, always when anyone takes up any opportunity and when they start at the beginning, they are likely to be more successful. Today, this opportunity is like a seed, because this is an opportunity which is in India still in the infancy stage. Still the things are coming up. And once this really matures enough, I'm telling you, in another 5 years, there will be millionaires and billionaires created from this opportunity, what you're going to see today. So how many of you would like to be a millionaire and a billionaire in the next 5 years? If you raise your hands, that means you are in the right opportunity, and this is an opportunity that could change your life and everyone's life across you. See, when I tell achieve in 5 years what you can achieve in 50 years, it is possible, but it is not easy, because what you achieve in these 5 years, you must really have the guts. So we tell, do we have the guts to do it? 100%. Why I'm telling guts? Because in these 5 years, you're going to experience all the happiness that you're going to get in 50 years, and you're also going to experience all the pain that you would experience in 50 years. So it is very, very possible, but it is not easy. So, but people who want to be entrepreneurs, really, I'm sure that you will enjoy this journey. And this journey is called the world of MLM. That means MLM basically stands for making life meaningful, making your life as well as the life of the people around you. See, today, throughout the world, there are only two people. One is producers and one is consumers. Whatever you talk about, anything that is being produced, and most importantly, we need someone who can consume. If there are no consumers, no use of producing anything. So, taking things from the producer to the consumer, there are different pathways. And today, we are going to share about one pathway where, as a producer, he is also winning. As a consumer, he also wins. How? Not only the producer makes money, even the consumer starts making money, because there is something in between the producer and the consumer, and that is called the advertising. So this is an industry where you do the advertising, you share the results of what you have. So I'm going to share one such system with you, and the system that I'm going to share with you that could make you a billionaire or a millionaire is a system called Vivitos. See, Vivitos is basically assuring each and everyone that we will positively go towards success. The person behind Vivitos, the vision of our company is giving good health to people. See, today, there are two things that people are really missing. One is good health, and number two is their income. So today we are going to show how you can have the best of your health, and as well as you can have a long time income. And how is this possible? How are we giving health to people? Is through traditionally used, scientifically proven, clinically tested formulations, and most importantly, these are formulations which are created by allopathic doctors, a team of allopathic doctors. And the doctor who heads this team is Dr. T.S. Chella, who is currently the president of the Indian Medical Association for the Rehabilitation on Tamil Nadu. You can get all the details about doctor in the website drchella.com. That could take me hours to really explain about him. If you would like to really know about Dr. Chella, you can get onto his website, drchella.com. So Dr. Chella is the person who is behind the products. The science behind the products is the team which Dr. Chella heads. So where they are working on rehabilitation, that means it is about making our lives healthier, making our lives better. So when we talk about the products has a history of more than 25 years of research. And basically the person who's taking care of the networking, because when we talk about a system, the most important thing is who are the people behind the system. And the people behind the system are three top profile people who have been into the networking for the last 20 years plus. The CEO of our company is Mr. Lazarus Yabes, who has been for over 20 years in this industry of network marketing, and that too based only with the products. And talking about our COH is Mr. Jai Sriram, who has been for nearly 18 to 20 years a successful networker. And about the vice president is Mr. Sam Vijay, who is an advocate by profession and who too has been a very successful networker. So we are talking about a system which has 20-25 years of product profile behind them, and a system which has around 60 years of networking experience behind them. So when both of this combined, the Vivitos was born. Now talking about our headquarters, even though all the four main pillars are from Tamil Nadu, basically our company wanted to have an international vision. That is the reason we have our registered office in Bangalore in the World Trade Center. And this 60 and 25 years of experience has led to the companies achieving things which many companies have never even achieved that over 10 to 15 years. The day we started, first thing is we went on to our legality. This is our certificate of incorporation, our PAN. Our company started its function on 14th of January 2018 on the auspicious day of the Tamil New Year Day. This is the certificate of incorporation. This is the trademark registration. This is the GST certification. And of course, here is the FSSAI license. So legally, we are all set. But most important, for any company to be legal, for any company to be a legal company in India, to be considered legal, the most important thing is the Department of the Consumer Affairs. So they must be registered in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. And yes, our company Vivitos Wellness is registered on the list of the direct selling companies. Here you can see Vivitos Wellness Private Limited, and the registered office is in Tamil Nadu and the head office is in Karnataka. So 100% we are a legal company. And talking about the background of the company which has led to the future of the company, we can tell that yes, within around 1.5 years of our company's formation, we are proud to receive this award as the fastest growing Indian Company Excellence Award. And here we can see our Dr. Chella, our president, our CEO, Mr. Lazarus Yabes, and our vice president, Mr. Sam, receiving this award on 5th of May 2019. And that's not all. Just 5 months later, in November 16th, our CEO, Mr. Lazarus Yabes, was also awarded the Best CEO of the Year award. So all thanks to the experience of networking and of course the product that has really led this system to be a successful system. So how many of us would really like to be a part of a system that has a history? Everyone, right? So that's Vivitos for you, friends. So coming now to the products. See, the products, the person, the brain behind the products is Dr. Chella. Dr. Chella, he is still a practicing physician, and he is seeing that many people come to the hospitals after they're falling sick, but no one gets into prevention. And basically, when they found the research that founded that basically people need two things in life. Number one is information about prevention and how to prevent diseases which can be prevented. And second thing, we needed a genuine product into the market that could really work. So Dr. Chella said, I take care of the genuine product to be introduced to the market. And for the education purpose, he took networking, because networking is the world's best word of mouth way of taking things to the people. And when we talk about the genuine product, one of the first product which Dr. Chella created for preventing any type of lifestyle diseases into a system is a product called Oncoban, which was introduced way back in 2016. In fact, around 2 years before even the company started. So that's the difference, for friends. We are a company where we started this company for the products to reach out to the people. We never created a plan and then search for products. Here, the product was well designed way back in 2016, and the company started in 2018. And the reason for this is for the education, so that we could educate the people about the products and reach it out to them so that they could lead a healthier life. So the first product which Dr. designed is called Oncoban, which was in 2016. It is a product that could help us to prevent many lifestyle diseases. So basically, Dr. Chella takes the whole body as a single unit, and he says that when all the 11 systems in our body work together, then 100% we can prevent many lifestyle diseases. And from his research, he also found that if you want all these 11 systems functioning in a perfect manner, we would require micronutrients that could repair and heal the whole systems. And that's the reason he said that if someone has to have a really healthy body, all they need is to take these 16 fruits, vegetables, herbs, and shrubs into their daily food. But how many of us are able to take this daily? Not all of us. And that's where Dr. Chella used the science. He found out that these things are required not for filling the stomach. They are required basically in small quantity. And this is where Dr. Chella used the science, and he created a unique extraction technology and a very unique formulation where you could blend all the active molecules of the 16 fruits and vegetables that could provide us with all the micronutrition that our body requires, so that we don't have to search for this anywhere else. So he combined all this together, and over 13 years of formulation, he designed this product, and the product in front of you, friends, is here. And this is Oncoban. Onco basically means cancer, and ban means preventing it. That means this is a product that can even prevent the worst type of cellular damage due to oxidative stress. Friends, if I talk about the benefits of these products, number one, it boosts immunity, and that's exactly what everyone needs today. Immunity. You don't have to go for 1,000 things. One Oncoban is enough for you for every day for you to increase your immunity. Number two, not just immunity. Today, we know, like our mobiles, we remove all the data out. Every day we have to clean it. In the same way, Oncoban helps us in detoxifying, removing the toxins on a day-to-day basis. Number three, Oncoban helps us in digestion and absorption of the nutrition that is there in our foods. Number four, Oncoban prevents heart disease and cancer. How? When it activates all the systems, there is no stagnation. So when there is no stagnation, then the moment is there, we can easily prevent diseases like heart disease and cancer. And if I talk about a person's best time, we talk about 6 hours to 8 hours of sleep. So Oncoban really promotes a very deep, good sleep because it gives the body all the micronutrition. And that's not all. Oncoban also increases the level how our endorphins work. Endorphins are basically the painkillers which are there in our body, which have never been activated. But the moment you start taking Oncoban, even your endorphins start functioning, and you don't have to take, you can reduce your painkillers for your body. And for a lady, Oncoban is like a Brahmastra. Okay, it relieves a lady from any of the problems, whether it is a monthly problem or the whatever be the problems that is related, because basically it also prevents kidney problems, and because it cleanses the blood, okay, and makes the blood alkaline. It is also good for preventing thyroid and for maintaining good liver health. And Oncoban also relieves lack of hunger and constipation, and it helps us to reduce depression, stress, and skin disease. And that's not all, friends. Oncoban helps us to balance glucose levels and protects us from nervous disorder, and it also supports a happy and a healthy sexual life. So overall, Oncoban, it awakens all our systems and makes our body work to the top. And most importantly, it helps protect all our cells from free radical damage. So when we talk about free radical damage, the most important thing is many companies claim that we have a high, we can protect our body from various damages. Today, when you talk about the damages, there is one set of institutions that say the ORAC value. Okay, so the power, the capacity of a particular nutrition to protect the cell from damage, it is measured in ORAC. And today, when we talk about ORAC, we can see that one of the topmost ORAC value is from a company which is in the US, and we thought we are nowhere behind. And we also did our ORAC value testing from the same company in US, that is the Brunswick Laboratories, and we are proud that the ORAC value of Oncoban of 24,913 is one of the highest ORAC value for any nutrition, liquid-based nutrition in the world. So we are proud that we have a product that is made in India but made for the whole world. That's Oncoban. Thanks Dr. Chella for this wonderful product that will really make the Indian flag fly high throughout the world. And all these are taken from ingredients which you have been using for hundreds and thousands of years. So many people ask, sir, is there any side effect in this? So we have been using this product for hundreds and thousands of years. There are no side effects. That means, are there going to be any side effects in this? Now, never. So once you take this on a daily basis, your total body is repaired, replaced, restored, and regenerated. And that's exactly what a person needs for having a perfect life. See, it's not about just having a pass mark. See, when you go to a school, you get 35 out of 100, you're pass. 40 out of 100 is pass. 60 out of 100 is pass. 80 out of 100 is pass. 99 on 100 is pass. Here the question is not about just pass. We are talking about what level you are. So Oncoban is a product that can raise our body level to 99+% and get a distinction in the quality of our life. So how many of us would like to have a distinction type of life? Everyone? So let's give a big hand to Oncoban, because doctors say Oncoban takes care of all the 11 types of body system and supports to prevent and fight more than 400 diseases. There is no product in the world, friends, which could really be compared to Oncoban. A product that takes care of all the systems. And how to take Oncoban, let's talk about this. See, the Oncoban should be taken first thing in the morning, because the first thing that your body asks in the morning is micronutrition. So give one sachet of Oncoban with 250 to 300 ml of normal water, mix it and sip it slowly, because the absorption starts right from your tongue. Okay, and for the best results, you have to drink a minimum of 3 liters of water daily. When I talk about 3 liters, not all at a time, it is around 4 or 5 gulps every half an hour. So we are talking about 150 to 200 ml water every half an hour. What happens? It keeps your body hydrated, it keeps your cells hydrated, it allows the nutrition to go throughout. You don't go to urination frequently because your body is utilizing this water. Okay, and Oncoban is not recommended for children, kidney patients, and pregnant women. So friends, here is the product that helps us to prevent diseases which have not come, number one. And people who already got the diseases, you can slow down. Number three, over a period of time, with a little change in your lifestyle, you can also reverse the diseases which were so far thought as unreversible. Diseases like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, stroke, respiratory diseases, and you can lead a healthy life full of energy. Why? Because Oncoban gives you the ultimate antioxidants, the highest ORAC value in the world, my dear friends. An ORAC value of 24,913 per serving. So this is the best protection for your body to protect from any diseases. Number two, daily detox. So because it's able to remove the toxins daily, your body is able to function perfectly. And number three, you are also providing the daily required micronutrition, which is able to regenerate all your cells and lead a healthy life. So friends, is this a product that every human needs today to stay healthy and stay immune? Yes or no? Yes. So here is Oncoban for you, for the whole of humanity, brought to you by Dr. Chella. See, people have different options. Today, if you need to have a healthy life, apart from the food, you can take multiple vitamins, tablets, anything. So here, instead of taking so many things in different portions, we have got a formulated product that is Oncoband that could give you all the nutrients in one single sachet. So the choice is your friends. What would you take? Multiple nutrients, different times, or one Oncoband would help you out? What would it be? One single Oncoband. So thanks and hats off to Dr. Chella who have created this product. And that's not all, friends. It does Oncoband really work? So if you would like to know that, all you have to do is get into the YouTube, go check in Oncoband results. And here are the few results that I would like to share. A testimonials, Mr. Sailesh, suffering from paralysis for over a year, and with just 20 days of Oncoband, he recovered more than 75%. And today, he's healthy and happy and active thanks to Oncoband. And now, how it works on diabetes, we can see here a person whose diabetic levels were 304 before food and 470 after food, and just within 40 days came down to 111 before food and 130 after food. So slowly but surely, Oncoband helps your body to reverse. That means the Oncoband doesn't work. Your body's natural process of healing starts working. That's not all, friends. It's not only for internal use, external use also. Oncoband, it very well works even on many of the skin problems. So here is a testimonial of psoriasis. So like this, there are plenty of testimonials, friends, you can see on the YouTube. So this is the product number 1 of Vivitos. Now coming to the second product, a product which has never been so far really addressed in the right way, osteoporosis. See, osteo means bone, porosis means more holes in the bone. It is the silent killer and it affects people of all ages, especially after 20, 25. The symptoms are loss of height. Number 2, pain in the joints. Number 3, bent legs. And number 4, we are talking about fracture even by a small fall. And you know, friends, when this happens, a person's family, a person's life gets incapacitated for more than 6 to 8 months. And if it is an elder person, it takes much more time. And this is the silent killer because this doesn't show any symptoms. So, but it is something that we have to address. And how to find out whether you're osteoporotic or no? Simple thing is we have to do a simple BMD test, bone mineral density test. Once you do a BMD test, you get a T-score. If the T-score that you get as a result is above -1, that means your bones are normal. If it is between -1 and -2, that means your bones are beginning to decay. And if it is above -2.5, your bones are real weak. So for this, Dr. Chella has gone back once again to the herbs and shrubs along with a mixture of allopathy and Ayurveda, where he has taken 6 wonderful herbs which have been used in India for ages. And with this, he created a product called Osdeodense. That means making the bones more denser. And these ingredients that you're seeing here, they are not just chosen rapidly. These are ingredients which have been tested and published by the National Center of Biotechnological Information from the US Library of Medicine. You can see all the information. Balsamodentron, you can see the complete information about the clinical research. Same thing with Cycas cadrogularis, same things with Vitex nuganda, Boswellia, Rosehip extract, and curcumin. So these are products which have been thoroughly researched. And all these raw materials are found in India, and that's where doctor utilized these products and created a product which would give a holistic solution for your joint pain. In fact, friends, this is a very unique product in the world, which there is no equivalent product anywhere else in the world. Because this is a product that not only strengthens your bones, it also improves your cartilage, and most importantly, it also improves your muscle mass. First time in the history of clinical research, this is a product that has been created in India with this Osdeodense. So this is a product that people can use for prevention, for recovery, and for real recovery of their joint health. So for this, recommend dosage. So this is a combo product, friends, a combination of sachet and a capsule. So basically, the capsules should be taken twice a day. So one to be taken in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and one to be taken in the night, half an hour before dinner. And the sachet that is there, you can take it with 200 ml of water between lunch and dinner. So people who want to prevent, so how many of us want to prevent joint pain? Everyone above the age of 25, you please use this for 3 months. Why? If you use this for 3 months, then you can be assured that next 10 years you will not have this problem. So once by using Osteodens, there are two conditions. Number one, walk for 30 minutes per day and expose your body for 30 minutes of sunlight every day. When I talk about sunlight, it is between 9 and 5 in the evening. So use this. So people, for preventing, if you take it for 3 months, you will not have this joint pain maybe for the next 10 years. If you follow this 30 minutes of walk and sunlight. And for people who have already started the problem, that means people who have just got osteopenia, that means just it started. The suggestion is take a BMD test, use the product from 4 to 5 months, take once again the BMD test, you have the documented result. And once again, follow this 30 minutes walk and sunlight. You next 10-15 years, you can be rest assured that you will not have any problems with the bones. And for people who are osteoporotic, you can take it from 6 months up to 9 months, so that you can rebuild your whole structure naturally using the body's natural ability to rebuild. So friends, this is Osteodens, and first thing that I would recommend each and everyone who are the most lovable, respected people in our life is our parents. And today our parents are not aware of this, about how. So parents never even share the pain with us. So first thing I suggest you is give this to your parents so that they can really take the benefit of this, and really you can feel the happiness that's on the face. Okay. How it works, you want to see testimonials? Yes, here you have got the documented testimonials. 24th March, we have seen that BMD score of T-score of -2.3, and on 12th of May, it is 0.8, -0.8. So here is the documentation. Same thing, you can see the documentation here with a BMD of -2.7, and within a month and 5 days, it is -1.6. So like this, we have got tremendous results for me. Practically, personally, my mother, who is around 74-75 years, she could not even climb 1 or 2 stairs. I mean, it's 1 floor or 2 floors. And today, she's able to go up and come down of 3 to 4 stairs. Okay, that floors at least twice or thrice a day. And that's the happiness that I really want to share with you. And I want each and everyone to share this happiness with your parents also, so that they can also move around with real health and vigor. Okay. Now coming to the third product. So this is a product which has come in around 1 month back, a product which is having thunder inside. When I talk about thunder inside, I'm talking about the combination. A product which has moringa, a product that has ashwagandha, a product which has Glycyrrhiza glabra, Shilajit, and 5 types of bhasmas. So if you look into the total combination, around 82 ingredients in this product. A product which today generally people talk about nanotechnology or nano nutrition, where you are having the metals to be bioavailable where our body can take. And this is something which was the secret of the princes and kings and emperors in India. But today, thanks to Dr. Chella, who has taken this secret and brought it out to the people. And this product is called Drums Up, a product that could really change the lives of people. And the beauty is this product, you have to just take it for just 90 days in a year. You don't even have to take it for throughout your lifetime. No, 90 days in a year. And the beauty about this product is once again the price. Friends, this product is designed basically keeping in view the economic level of people in India. Okay, a product which can change thousands of lives by basically what this product does is it improves your RBC, red blood cell count. So once your RBC is improved, naturally your complete body, all your systems are getting more oxygen. So when we talk about more oxygen and more nutrition, means we are talking about a product that can elevate your quality of life and bring the thunder inside you. A product that can be used by pregnant ladies, a product that can be used by people with kidney problems, a product that can be used by people who are into the sports. So that wonderful result this product is creating. How? Basically by increasing your RBC and your hemoglobin, and also giving that extra strength to your heart to function perfectly. So this product comes under the category of an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. Number two, one, you can see the results within the first month itself. So before you start, you can just take a CBC, okay, and see it after first month, you can see the results. And 90 days of course, like I said, is enough for the whole year for normal people. And for people who are anemic, you can use it up to 6 months, and in 6 months you can see tremendous changes. Imagine we are talking about raising the hemoglobin level from 6, 7, 8 up to 12 or 13. That's normally for a lady, and for gents between 14 and 16. So what wonderful things that this product can do for us. And we were talking about, sir, will this also increase the RBCs? I told 100% it increases. You can donate your blood to people who are needing. So donating the blood is one of the biggest donations that you can do for mankind. And during this troubled times, what is happening is the more RBCs that you have, you can help thousands of people by giving them a better life. And that is possible only by increasing your RBC. And that's exactly what this product of Drums Up is doing. And for me, in particular, see, earlier I could climb around 4 or 5 stairs. And after that, I could feel a little tired. But now, thanks to Drums Up, within 4 days of taking this, today I can even climb up to 8 floors, and I don't feel that fatigue. But really, you have to use it to really believe it. वो बोलते हैं ना, घड़ी डिटर्जेंट में पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास करे. The same way, use the product, experience it. 3 months in your life can change your whole year. That's exactly what is Drums Up. So like I said, if you really want documentation, a product that is telling you clearly, take your CBC and take your PPBS. That means the 2 hours after your food, take your sugar levels and take it after the 3 months. You can see the difference and you can document it yourself. There are thousands of people, there are hundreds of people who are using this, and I'm sure that in next 1, 2, 3 months, you will be finding thousands of results on the YouTube of people who have got these results on their question. So don't wait for the results. It is clinically proven. So take it, enjoy it at a price that, like I tell you, which is feasible by everyone. See, today, thousands of people, lakhs of people, crores of people are anemic. Doctors' only vision is to help out the anemic people so that we can get a better life. So like this, friends, there are many products that are coming, and products which are really need-based. See, earlier we had a product called Viber, but very soon, by the next month, we'll be having one more product, the next advanced version of Viber, that is called the Viber Gold, which is titled the Ultimate Fat Buster. And so far we have got Oncoban. Friends, today, bolte na Oncoban ka baap. Okay, the Mercedes-Benz of ORAC value, or the Mercedes-Benz of prevention, is going to come now, and that is called the O2, the Ultimate Life Enhancer. And today, to cope up with this viral and to cope up with any type of a viral attack and any viral challenge, which can be used for preventing, prophylactic purpose, or also for reversing after it comes, the best way to combat with any viral attack is a product that is called Virun. That is also coming in the month of August. Like we say, August is the month of freedom. So August is the month of freedom for each and every Indian from the backdrops, from the life's bad phases and coming into the better phase. Thanks to Dr. Chella and his team for creating these wonderful products. A product like I said, the Viber Gold, O2, Virun, Osteodens, Oncoban, and of course the Osteodens and the Drums Up. So these products are going to change people's life. So friends, this has changed my life and many of thousands of my friends' life. And today they are enjoying a very healthy life, and they are fighting even this virus with confidence. See, today when any virus comes, a few people die of the virus, but many people die of the fear. Okay, so this is the product that can lift that fear and help each and every individual lead a healthy life. So friends, do we need to take this product for ourselves? Yes or no? Yes. If it is yes, please start using the product, enjoy the experience the product, and you feel that it's really making a change. Talk to people about it so that you could give a better life to them.